This is Keiko-san. She's 73 years old, but look at her skin. No deep wrinkles, no age spots, just glowing. I asked her secret, and she said, I've done the same 4 steps since I was 20. So I followed her exact routine for 30 days, and honestly, I can't believe what happened to my skin. Like many of you, I was obsessed with anti-aging. Retinol, vitamin C serums, 10-step routines. My bathroom looked like a skincare laboratory, but my skin? Still dull, still showing fine lines, still aging. Then I met Keiko-san at a community center in Kyoto, and everything changed. In Japan, it's common to see women in their 60s and 70s with remarkable skin. The secret isn't expensive creams or cosmetic procedures, it's consistency. Simple steps done perfectly every single day. Keiko-san told me, your skin is like a garden. Gentle care daily is better than aggressive treatment sometimes. Step 1 is double cleansing, and this changed everything for me. First, she uses an oil cleanser. Not just any oil, a proper Japanese cleansing oil that emulsifies. She massages it for a full 4 minutes every day. She explained, oil removes oil. Your sunscreen, your sebum, your makeup, it all melts away. Then comes the foam cleanser. Gentle, pH balanced, another 2 minutes of careful massage. I used to rush this, 30 seconds max, but Keiko-san spends 10 minutes just on cleansing. That's the foundation. Step 2 is the hydration sandwich. This is where Japanese skincare is completely different. After cleansing, while skin is still damp, she applies a hydrating lotion, what they call keshōsui or keshōsui. But here's the secret. She layers it 7 times. 7 thin layers, patting gently, waiting 30 seconds between each layer. She explained, your skin is like rice paper. It absorbs slowly, layer by layer. Then comes essence, then emulsion, each one sealing in the previous layer. By day 15, my skin felt like it was drinking water, plump, dewy, alive. Step 3 nearly made me give up because it requires patience. Every morning, Keiko-san does a 5-minute facial massage. Not aggressive, not pulling, just gentle lymphatic drainage. She starts at her collarbone, works up her neck, then across her face in upward strokes. Always upward, never dragging down. She uses her essence as a slip, so there's no tugging. She told me, gravity pulls down all day. We must lift up in the morning. I was skeptical, but by week 2, I noticed my face looked less puffy. My jawline looked more defined. The massage was literally sculpting my face. Step 4 is non-negotiable, sunscreen. Keiko-san applies SPF 50 every single morning. Rain or shine, winter or summer, indoors or outdoors. And here's what shocked me. She reapplies every 3 hours. She carries a compact sunscreen in her purse. At lunch, she reapplies. Mid-afternoon, she reapplies. She said, the sun is the enemy. Everything else is defense. In Japan, you see women with umbrellas on sunny days, long sleeves in summer, sun hats everywhere. It's not vanity, it's protection. I started reapplying sunscreen and I noticed something amazing. My existing sunspots stopped getting darker. After 30 days, I compared photos. My skin tone was more even, the fine lines around my eyes softer, not gone, but definitely less visible. My skin felt thicker, more resilient. That crepey texture on my cheeks improved. But the biggest change was the glow. My skin looked healthy, radiant, like it was lit from within. My husband asked if I'd gotten a facial. My coworker asked what foundation I was using. I wasn't wearing any. This was just my skin, my actual skin. Here's what I learned from Keiko-san. Japanese skincare isn't about transformation. It's about preservation. It's not about fighting aging aggressively. It's about aging gracefully, slowly. Keiko-san said something that stuck with me. Western beauty wants to reverse time. Japanese beauty wants to honor time while taking care of the vessel. The products don't have to be expensive. She uses drugstore brands, Hada Labo, Senka, Melano CC. What matters is the ritual, the consistency, the gentleness, the respect for your skin. If you want to try this, start simple. You don't need 15 products. You need the right 4 steps done properly. Morning, gentle foam cleanser, hydrating lotion layered 3 times, light emulsion, and SPF 50. Evening, oil cleanser for 4 minutes, foam cleanser for 2 minutes, hydrating lotion layered 7 times, and a richer night cream. The massage takes 5 minutes. Do it while your essence is still wet, upward strokes only. And the sunscreen? Make it a habit. Keep it in your bag. Reapply after lunch. No excuses. I'm continuing this routine because my skin has never looked better. I'm 42 years old, and people are asking if I'm in my early 30s. Keiko-san gave me a gift, not just a skincare routine, but a philosophy. Take care of your skin like you're tending a garden, gently, daily, patiently. If you want me to show the exact products I use or demonstrate the massage technique, let me know in the comments. And if you try this routine, tag me. I want to see your transformation. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Keiko-san, for sharing 73 years of wisdom.